This. This chair is very comfortable. This chair is very comfortable. That. That's my car over there. That's my car over there. This. This book is interesting. This book is interesting. That. That house looks beautiful. That house looks beautiful. This. This is my friend Ria. This is my friend Ria. That. That boy is very smart. That boy is very smart. This. This water is cold. This water is cold. That. That is not your bag. That is not your bag. This. This pen writes smoothly. This pen writes smoothly. That. That movie was amazing. That movie was amazing. This. This dress suits you. This dress suits you. That. That road leads to the market. That road leads to the market. This. This food smells delicious. This food smells delicious. That. That girl is my cousin. That girl is my cousin. This. This place is peaceful. This place is peaceful. That. That shop is closed today. That shop is closed today. This. This idea sounds great. This idea sounds great. That. That moment was unforgettable. That moment was unforgettable.
This.
This weather is perfect for a walk. This weather is perfect for a walk.
That.
That sound scared me. That sound scared me.
This.
This tea is too hot. This tea is too hot.
That.
That man is a doctor. That man is a doctor.
This.
This gift is for you. This gift is for you.
That.
That day was very special. That day was very special.
This.
This room needs cleaning. This room needs cleaning.
That.
That park is far away from here. That park is far away from here. Did you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Practice English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.